What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Start Dividend. If you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I made it to $149,000 with my dividend portfolio. I was hungry. I never gave up. I put my money away. I was dedicated, laser focused. But I also have a strategy that is high yield. So now I'm showing you a little bit more of my high yield investing strategy with some business development companies and a little bit of dividend growth stocks for my main section for my dividend portfolio. Investing in these business development companies has helped turbocharge my dividend portfolio. Now, my goal with some of these, and I'm going to provide some examples of some of the stocks that I own, I'm going to use its income to reinvest into buying dividend growth stocks. This is a strategy I've done. This is a strategy I plan on kind of lightening the load a little bit because I can tell you there's some amazing dividend growth stocks that have incredible dividend growth that I just need a little kick to buy them. And part of my investing strategy is using high yielders. Of course, I'm going to use the high yield passive income is, you know, I want to live off that in the future, but I also want to use it to buy the stocks like Lowe's, like McDonald's, like Hershey, and I hope they don't get acquired, by the way. Uh, Pepsi, Coca-Cola. I want that money from my high yielders and YieldMax to buy these dividend growth stocks. So I really need to tweak the focus a little bit. And I told you in December, I'm not going to be buying or making changes, but I need to buy a little bit of some of these high yielders. I'm going to show you a little bit of my focus right now until the end of the year. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit notification bells. Don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out my high yield dividend investing strategy right now. So first, it was not a bad day for passive income with cash, $177.96. So we're going to jump to that real quick. It's been a good day. Let's check this out. I got the Roundhill small cap covered call strategy ETF 1310. Net Street REIT, I think that's the first time I ever received dividends from them, 852. ZONY got 5222. Golub Capital 291. qdte 1099. YMAG, there's a little bit I went over in the past with my previous videos why there is a deduction. And if you read their statements and why they do that, it'll explain to you why they do that. So 25.23 with YMax minus 12.51. With YMAG, I made 13.10 minus 142. Blue Owl Capital Corp, I made 293. AMDY made 18.52. Golub Capital 363. Tyson Foods 11.96. Flowers Foods 17.17. XDTE 843 and Yum Brands 317. So I'm getting up there with some of these dividend growers. So Tyson Foods, I'm getting $10. Does $10 sound decent for putting your money away and never touching it again and reinvesting? Absolutely. So we're going to jump to my dividend portfolio and my main section with my high yielders that I'm focusing on till the end of the year. So I just switched over Rhythm Capital Corp, RITM. I switched over Enbridge at 586 right now, 94. So I need to get up there. I added a percentage there. Alexandra Real Estate Equities, I'm still keeping that. ADP, I'm still keeping that in the main one. American Financial Group, I'm still keeping. Prologis, I'm still doing that. They're down. Darden Restaurants, they're starting to make a huge comeback. I'm glad I got them in the main one. Aflac, I'm up 1,100.64% since I started buying it. So that's incredible. And it's just growing, so I got to keep it in my section. Yum Brands, I'm up 2.73%. AbbVie, it's a little bit down, 0.09%. I'm going in there. So Target, this is kind of a misconception right here. When I sold it, I was I did a little tax loss harvesting with it at the time. I'm not actually down that amount. So I'm just letting you, that was over time with M1 Finance. Aflac, that's a different story from what I've seen. So again, Target's down. There's some earnings issues. So I'm buying. Coca-Cola, 689.39. I'm down 25.10%. I'm buying. Carlisle Secured Lending Fund, the BDC, I'm up 4.90%. WP Carry, right there, down 2.73%. Absolutely, I'm buying. Now, the YBTC, they just made an announcement with the Roundhill Bitcoin covered call ETF. It appears to be a weekly distribution at the start of January. Hessa Midstream, I'm up 29.58%. I am buying right now, high yielder. Blackstone Secured Lending Fund, it's up 25.80%. Broadstone Net Lease, 13.09. Altria, I'm up 87.52%. Now, again, that one is over time. Now, Aflac's a different story. So, Altria, high yielder. Look, I believe it's a choice of smoke. I tell people not to smoke. It's their choice. I'm against smoking. So, just being clear, but that's a choice. And unfortunately, smoking leads to cancer. And it's a recreational decision for people to make. Morgan Stanley, I'm up 28.84%. First time buying it. Saratoga Investment Corp, 38.28%. FSK, 28.72%. I'm up. Fidus Investment Corp, 34.29%. Golub Capital, 6.18%. And again, the same thing with Hercules Capital. I added some things in there and sold them for a little bit of tax loss harvesting. So I'm really not down 55.51% with Hercules Capital. It's like a little ETF in there. Eventually, what I'm going to do is throw all my high yield business development companies into a pie, and I'm going to rename it. It's not going to be Hercules Capital. So I'm just letting you know. Trinity Capital, I'm up 40.69%. CSWC, I want to go over CSWC and Enbridge a little bit. MPLX, Essential Properties Realty Trust, 59.92%. Enterprise Product Partners, 57.79%. And Ares Capital Corporation, 52.69%. I'm up. So you know what? I'm going to go over CSWC, FSK, and Saratoga Investment Corp. Let's check them out. I got some high yielders for you. So Saratoga Investment, past few years, it's been down as well. And Capital Southwest Corporation. So they're not doing too good. Okay. But Saratoga Investment Corp, I'm going to go over just some revenue trends and dividend history of the business development company. So as a business development company, 90% plus of what they make have to go back to investors. So a income investor like myself likes to invest in business development companies that have revenue increases, because if the revenue increases, it usually helps bring the confidence in the board of directors. So annually in millions US dollars, 2018, 38.61, 2019, 47.7, 2020, 58.44, 2021, 57.65, 2022, 70.74, 2023, 99.10, and 2024, 143. Huge increase in revenue. Now let's check out the dividend history. I'm going to start in 2016, 41 cents, 43 cents, and then 44 cents, 45, 46, 47. 48, 49 in 2017, 2018, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 2019, 2020, and then you see a little bit of a cut. Well, it's probably the pandemic. So 40 cents in 2020, 41 cents, 42, 43, 44. 2021, 52 cents, 53 cents. 2022, 54 cents. Then you see 68 cents, 69 cents, 70, 71, 72 in 2023, 2024, 73. Now it appears to be a special dividend right here. You can correct me if I'm wrong with Saratoga Investment Corp, but I don't expect that to be that high all the time. So, and I didn't do my digging, but I'm just going to assume because of the trends that are going on, I don't know if that would have been sustainable uh, doing that consistently in the dollar side. So 2024, 73 cents to 74 cents. So with their payout ratio, it is 68%. That's hopefully sustainable. Again, it's a high yield, 12.29%. If you bought one share, you made 296. The dividend growth in 5 years, 14.68%. The dividend increases in the last 5 years is 15. So we got some good numbers with Saratoga Investment Corp. Yes, the ratio sits at 68% of its earnings, but think about this. Okay, well, it's a high yielder, and a business development company has to distribute a lot of its revenue to shareholders. Now let's jump to CSWC. With Capital Southwest Corp, again, I want to go a little bit in detail. 2173 right now, PE ratio of 13.10. This is one of my favorite business development companies. 11.64% dividend yield. Now, I'm going to jump to the revenue trends and dividend history. So for me as a income investor, that looks very attractive because look at this, 2018 35. This is annually in millions US dollars. 2019 51, 2020 62, 2021 68, 2022 82, 2023 119, 2024 178. So that's a huge increase in revenue. Now let's jump to the dividend history. I'll start in 2018, 44 cents, 46, 48, 49, 50 cents in 2019, and then 40 cents. And then in 2020, 51 cents, 52 cents, 53, 54. It's like a special dividend at 97 cents and 1231. A lot of business development companies have a rep doing that. So then in 2022, 48 cents, 63 cents, 50 cents, 57, 58, 59, 62, 63, 64, and then 63. So there is decent dividend growth in 5 years, 9.46%. The dividend increases in the last 5 years is 12. Payout ratio is 88% high. If you bought one share, you made 232 with a 10.68% dividend yield. Again, it's a business development company. You're going to see a higher payout ratio. Let's jump to the final dividend stock. This one has a significant increase, huge increase. So annually in millions US dollars, 2017 419, 2018 394, 2019 779, 2020 639, 2021 1081, 2022 1635, 2023 1830. So that's a huge increase in revenue. And let's jump to the dividend history. You see 2019, 19 cents, 2020, 15 cents, and then 2020, 60 cents. Then in 2021, 65 cents, 62, 63, 68, 2022, 67, 68, 70. Then you have a special dividend right here at 5 cents. And then in 2023, 70 cents, then 5 cents, and then 70 cents, and then 5 cents, and then 70 cents, and then 5 cents, and then 70 cents. So you have to be aware of what's going on. It's going to appear that the payout ratio is 86%. The dividend increases in the last 5 years is 11.92%. If you bought one share, you made 256. So the dividend growth, it can be a little misleading just because of the numbers, but things have went up 60, 65 cents. It has not jumped past 70, so be aware of that. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. If you enjoy what I'm doing, make sure you hit a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see my high yield passive income investing strategy and my dividend growth investing strategy. I have a hybrid. Value investing, look at Target. Income investing, look at my high yielders. And dividend growth investing, you see Aflac, you see all these dividend growth ADP, you see me with McDonald's, you see all these high yielders, Hershey's, Coca-Cola. So I am a hybrid of that, and I am very transparent with my strategies. So take care and have a good one. And I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So be aware and do your due diligence. It is best to seek financial advice from a financial advisor. So go to your financial advisor for financial advice. Go to a tax advisor for tax advice. How hard is that? My channel, again, is strictly entertainment purposes, okay? And you can lose money with your investments. Very transparent with my losses and what I do. I do not pump stocks. I plan on being long in these three unless if something drastically happens. If there's a dividend cut that these three dividend stocks that I reviewed. So take care and have a good one. And again, you don't have to buy stuff because I buy it. All right. I'm going to jump to my video tomorrow, which I'm going to work on. I will have one for you, and I'm going to be doing a collaboration with Ari. So that I'm very excited for that early in the morning. My buddy from Israel, we're going to be doing an early morning collaboration, and I'm looking forward to that video being posted. Take care.